art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Chef Bandit from Bluey, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started slightly further over towards the left, and we're going to draw in a nice big oval for that left eye. Right in the center, further over, we're going to draw in another oval, making this one smaller for the pupil. And then we'll add in a small circle on the top for the highlight. Let's just color in our pupil black now. Let's frame in the nose. So we're going to step across, bringing this line out, rounding that out, tucking that in on a diagonal. We're going to continue on the bottom, arching that through, taking that up in the corner. Now let's just add in a little corner bracket. Let's come down underneath. We're going to curve this down slightly to the bottom. And then we're going to round this out, curving this over and in. Now from here on the side, tucking this up, around and through towards that eye. Let's draw on the nose here. So we're going to arch this down, curving this in, pulling that back up on the side. And then right on the top, we're going to add in a sideways oval for the highlight. Let's draw on the little mustache here now. So coming down on both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line. We'll pull this out on a diagonal towards the right. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. We're just going to close this off on the left-hand side. Now let's draw our right eye. So leaving a gap here, we're going to draw in another oval, curving this around, making this a little wider on the side, tucking that in. Moving in, drawing in another oval for the pupil. And then just adding in another circle on the top for that highlight. Again, from here, let's color in the pupil black. Let's move up and draw in Bandit's eyebrows now. So we're going to draw in a curved line coming across on both sides. Let's round that out on the inside, curving this over, tucking that back in. Now let's come down. We're going to, actually let's come up. We'll flatten out the top of the head first. We'll round out the sides. We're going to curve this out, rounding that out. Let's pull this down on the side now, ending this at the exact same height. Now coming over from that corner, curving this out on the left, and then we're going to curve this out on the right. Let's draw on the chef hat here. So in the middle, drawing in a nice big arch line. We'll step up on a diagonal, arching this around and through on the right. Let's close this off on the side, curving this over and back in on the top. To the left, rounding this out, curving that down. And then again, one more time, arching this around and back in. Let's draw on a straight line that comes down on either side. Now let's draw on the arms. They're both going to be holding something. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. Let's draw on the thumbs. We're going to round this out, curving this over, tucking that back in. Let's draw on the fingers as we come down now. So we'll draw on the first oval on the top. In the center, let's replicate that again. Let's move down, closing off the pinky, curving that up. Let's draw on the wooden spoon first. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw this straight line coming down. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. And then we're just going to round that out on the bottom. We'll continue this as we come up on the left-hand side. Let's connect this with a nice big oval now. So we're just going to curve this around and in. In the center, we're going to draw in an oval again. Now on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a pan. So we're going to, again, draw a diagonal line coming out on either side, and then closing that off with a straight line. And then we'll extend that up on the top. Now from here, let's create a nice big circle. Further over towards the left, we're going to draw in another circle, following this all the way around. and then from the top, we're just going to curve this back around and in on the side. On the top, drawing in 2 straight lines coming out, and then we're just going to flatten that out, closing that off. Let's continue this arm as we come in. So we're going to leave a gap coming down, drawing in a small straight line. And then now let's finish off the arm, drawing that diagonal line coming through. Closing off the wrist, we're going to curve that up. Let's draw on the apron now. So extending this line further out, we're going to draw in a straight line across, connecting that together. Let's move up. We're going to arch this line up, over, pulling that back down on the right. And then right in the center, let's just replicate that again, curving that down. Now let's come down again, drawing in another straight line across at the exact same width. And then we'll round that out on the left and right. Continuing the apron down, we're going to pull this line straight down, curving that in, flattening that out in the center. We'll replicate that on the right. Moving in on the top for the pocket, a straight line coming across. Let's round that out underneath, following that shape, curving that over, in, pulling that back up on the side. Let's draw in some straight lines now. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line. Let's step in. We're going to draw in another straight line coming up, stepping over, replicating that. Moving in towards the middle again, drawing in 2 more straight lines. And then we'll just draw our final one right in the center. Let's draw in Bandit's leg. So leaving a gap in the middle, 2 straight lines on either side. Stepping across, lining that up at the same height, replicating that. Let's close off the foot. So we're going to curve this out, tucking that back in. Close off the ankle, we're going to draw in a straight line across. Let's draw in 2 curved lines, pulling into the center. Now for the tail underneath, curving this around and in. Stepping across, replicating that, pulling that through. And then one more time, tucking this up, down, and in towards that apron. Let's curve this down on the bottom, finishing that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Bandit the chef. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.